So in this video, you'll learn how to use the S Pen as a camera remote on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. So the first step is to open the Settings app. Then you want to scroll and select Advanced Features. Under Advanced Features, choose the option S Pen and then select Air Actions. Ensure that this feature is enabled, and then once it's been turned on, you then want to scroll down and start ensuring that the settings are correct so that your camera can be able to recognize the S Pen. This includes ensuring that the press and hold pen button feature is currently set to camera. If it's not, then just select it and then choose camera. And it also means scrolling to app actions and then looking for the option camera. If you don't find it, then what you're going to do is just select it under the section of turned off and then tap on the toggle to enable it. Once it's been enabled, it now means that your S Pen will actually be recognized by the camera. Then you can see all the actions that you can perform with the different gestures for the S Pen in the camera app. Once you're happy with the information that you've now received, you can then go ahead and close the Settings app. From here, you can now just remove the S Pen from the back of the tablet, and you can now use the press and hold feature to launch the camera app on your tablet. So look for the S Pen button and just press and hold on it to launch the camera app. And then you can see the camera app has been opened. So now whenever you want to take photos, then you're going to just grab your S Pen, press on the button once when you're in photo mode, and an image will be taken. If you want to record videos, then you just switch to video mode, press on the button once, and videos will start recording. To stop them, just press on the button again and the video will stop recording. If you want to switch between camera modes, so say for example switch from portrait to photo to video, then what you're going to do is just press on the S Pen button and swipe either left or right depending on the direction you are going. So say for example you're switching from video mode to photo mode, you're going to press on the button and then swipe towards the right hand side of the screen to switch to photo mode. So just press on the button as you swipe and you can see I've successfully switched modes. If I want to go to portrait, it's just the same motion, press and swipe, and then I'll switch to portrait mode. If I want to switch from portrait to photo or from photo to video, then I'll be swiping left as I press on the button. So swipe left and then swipe left. If I want to switch from the back camera to the selfie camera, then it will be a press of the button and then swiping up or swiping down depending on the camera that you're currently using. So because I'm using the back button, if I wanted to switch to the selfie camera, then what I'll do is just press on the button as I swipe up. So let me go ahead and do so. And you can see I've successfully switched to the camera. So now if I want to switch back to the back camera, I'll go ahead and just do the swipe down like this. And then also have successfully switched from the selfie camera to the back camera. And so that's how you can switch between the two cameras using your S Pen. If you find the gestures too hard for you to be able to do, so switch between the two cameras, then you can always just use the double press of the button on the S Pen to switch the cameras. So just the double press, and it will switch the camera according to your preferences. So see, you can see double press, switch to the selfie camera, double press, switch to the back camera. So it's up to you to decide which of those two options you'll prefer to use whenever it comes to switching cameras. And so those are the main motions that you're going to be using whenever you're using your S Pen as the camera remote on your Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. If you have any more questions or comments you would like to be answered about this process, then feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.